Good day everyone and welcome back to Mommy Guide Inc. Today's video is about SheetLoad of Cards. Alicia, or Call Me Crafty Al, as we fondly call her in the community, creates this sheetload of cards sketches on a monthly basis. I have included in the description of this video all the links that you need to actually create also sheetload of cards based on this monthly sketches. Today I'll be creating cards based on the sheetload of cards May 2024. I have pre-cut and chosen all the papers that I will be using for today based on the Sheetload of Cards May 2024 issue, including the sentiment that I'll be using. To ensure that pattern paper B will always be in the middle, I created this DIY jig. From pieces of scrap papers, I created a template that is based on the size of pattern paper A and pattern paper B. I found the center on both papers by creating crosshair lines on both. I just aligned all the markings from both papers. Once that's done, I carefully trimmed off the lower and right side portion to create my jig. And so with this jig, I can ensure that I will be able to place the second paper or paper B in the middle of the card. And that's how easy it is. Now off to making these 8 awesome cards based on the sheetload of cards for May 2024. You can easily also make your own take on the sheetload of cards for May 2024. And when you do share it, please don't forget to use the hashtag #ShowUsYourSheetLoad or hashtag SCUYS May 2024 so that Call Me Crafty Al can actually see what you have done as well. Thank you so much again for joining me today, and I hope that you have liked this video. And if you have, please don't forget to consider subscribing, and I hope to see you on the next one. Have a great, wonderful, crafty day, everyone. Bye!